Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is January weekly reading from January 18 to January 24th, and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Okay, 10 of Swords. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Some of you are dealing with Leo, fire sign. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius, air sign. Under the deck, Ace of Wands, King of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and Magician, and the Moon. You are manifesting something big into your life, Scorpio. Yeah, universe has your back. Be clear about your intention. Because when your intention is clear, you will manifest faster. You definitely are manifesting something big into your life, and you know how to control your emotions and how to save your money. And King of Cups, you have very strong emotions towards someone, or someone new is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you. I am seeing you have options, Scorpio. Ace of Wands. So new beginnings, new opportunities for you. Maybe you will start new business, or you will start a new job, or you will learn some new skill also. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 10 of Swords, Queen of Cups, and Page of Cups. In recent past, you were tired, you were sad, but someone was approached with apology in recent past, definitely, and you have very strong emotions towards that person. Maybe you pleased that person in recent past because you are very emotional and caring person, Scorpio. Yeah, you pleased that person because Page of Cups, and I'm saying it's also involved in this relationship. Then present strength, Three of Wands, and Nine of Wands. You are guarded up. Right now you're working on your inner strength. You are turning your back from situation but expecting some positive growth. Definitely some growth is there in your life, in particular area of your life. It could be in relationship, or it could be in work area. Definitely there will be some growth. And you are becoming very strong person day by day, because due to lot of lessons you learned from past, now you are a very emotionally very strong person now. Yeah, now you become like a very strong person emotionally. Then future, Page of Swords, King, Knight of Cups, and the Star. There is, in future there will be wish fulfillment, and you put your ideas into action, and someone is coming into your life to offer their cup of love to you, and this person is very romantic. For some it could be a brand new person, and for some it could be a past person. It depends on your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Devil and Justice. Four of Swords. Maybe lots of you are in no contact, but this person wants second chance. This person is obsessed with you. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn. Maybe for some this person could be toxic for you, because devil is a dark energy. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you, Scorpio. Okay, their intentions. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius. Eight of Cups, Queen of Wands, Three of Cups and Six of Swords. If you are in no contact, they want to fix things with you. They will take action soon. They want reconciliation here. Yeah, they want to leave behind everything which had happened between you and your person, like argument, disputes or misunderstandings. They want a fresh new start with you, Scorpio. So the current feelings, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords and Nine of Wands. They are watching you. They are spying on you on social media. And they're thinking about long term with you because Ace of Pentacles. They want a fresh new start. Yeah, they are planning something big here. Maybe you don't know about this, but they're planning something big. And their intentions, the Star, Six of Wands and Page of Cups. Some of you will get some random message from your person and they want success in this connection. They wishing and praying for this connection. Yeah, they want success in this connection. They want to win you back again into their life. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, they want second chance here. Yeah, they have regrets. For some third party involved here, maybe other marriage is also involved in this relationship. Kids also involved here. But your person is in Emperor energy. Maybe in past they don't express their feelings. But now they want to express. They want this Ten of Cups happiness with you. And they want second chance. They want justice here. They're feeling missing you. They're feeling sad without you. If you are in separation, yeah, this person wants passionate new beginnings here. What about you? Wow. You will receive the one. Page of Wands, communication. You both have age difference also. Definitely this could be your soulmate. And you also love this person. But you are playing defensive here. Even though you are feeling that this person is soulmate, some of you want to end relationship with this person due to some issues. Yeah, maybe toxic relationship, maybe abusive relationship. That's why you want to cut off this person from your life. That's why you are playing defensive here. Some of you are dealing with Scorpio, another Scorpio. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Scorpio. You love this person, but some issues involved here. Okay. So see, Five of Swords in the Tower. Definitely some backstabbing energy. There is desire, there is love. At the same time, there is burden. That's why you are hesitating here. Again, backstabbing energy. You have some trust issues with this person, but they're rushing to communicate with you. They're coming back for second chances. Yeah, communication is coming, guys. So it depends, but I am seeing some of you decided to end relationship with this person. Maybe some of you will take time and you will make decision. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But communication is coming. I have regrets. I'm feeling sad without you. I feel so alone. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with Sagittarius. Look at the bigger picture. A win-win outcome is your forecast. Full moon in Libra. Some of you are dealing with Libra. A win-win outcome is your forecast, Scorpio. And under the deck, bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius. So bring love into the situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.